Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, or if you're a returning viewer, thanks for checking in again and checking out my creepy Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees makeup tutorial. So to start off with, I painted this like wonky line using a white face paint across the top of my face, and then to create the special effects ripples, I just started off by painting the ripples in white, and I did those underneath my eye as well. Then using a kabuki foundation brush and the Mayron Paradise paint in white, I then filled in the bottom half of my face, which is going to be Jason's mask. I penciled in my eyebrow, and then I went into the Sugar Pill Love Plus eyeshadow, which is like a bright red eyeshadow, which I love this one because I feel like it's quite rare to get just a pure bright red matte eyeshadow. So I just created like a bit of a smoky eye effect with that, and I added a bit of shimmer onto my eyelids. As I always say with my eye makeup, I don't ever do anything fancy. I'm not like that great at it. Okay, and then next I went into the Kat Von D Light and Shade eyeshadow palette, and I just looked, and this has been discontinued, which I'm really upset about because it's like really good for doing special effects stuff. So anyway, I went into this brown shade and I just started to shade in between the white highlights that I painted on. And sorry if you just heard a seagull, I'm at the seaside. And the next stage is to go into a black face paint and paint a line all along the side of where the skin's been pulled up, and I'm just leaving like a tiny bit of the white paint on the side of where the skin is as well. While I was still using the black face paint, I started to paint on an eye hole, and Jason wears a hockey mask. I actually did this hole in a bit of a skull shape, and I wish I'd done it in more of like a perfect round shape like his is, but oh well. And then I went into a black eyeshadow and I just started to shade along the side where the skin's been pulled up. I added a bit of texture to the hockey mask using a black eyeshadow, and then I went on with a red face paint and just started to paint on these triangular shapes that he has on the hockey mask. Then using a black face paint, I started to paint on the holes he has on his hockey mask. I don't know anything about hockey or hockey masks, so I can't tell you why they're there. But I basically painted like a black circle, and then I painted a white highlight in each one and then a little white highlight on the edge of each one around the edge as well, because they're kind of like 3D holes. I then painted a black line just right around the bottom of my face so it looked more like a mask, and he also has like a black kind of attachment thing by his ear, so I painted that on as well. Okay guys, this is the finished look of my Jason makeup tutorial. I hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more crazy and also some super simple face painting and makeup tutorials. Happy Halloween, goodbye.